This is an inventory and cost program I designed for bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. Main part of the program is to quickly and accurately do inventory and cost calculation, but it also does pricing assistance, sales trending, and potential earnings and loss calculation. I'll do another video to describe the entire program in detail. Today I'm just going to give a brief demo of the UpdatePrices function that I just finished recently. This function allows you to do smart ordering, which is something every bar owner and manager should be paying close attention to. This has potential to add tens of thousands of dollars to your bottom line every year. We're all in this business for a reason, so why not maximize what we can get out of it? One very important part of this program is the retail price field. If you do not know the current retail price of the alcohol you carry in your establishment, how can you accurately calculate your cost? This retail price field is how you are able to tell your cost per shot, cost per ounce, cost percentage, and your profit per bottle. The Pennsylvania Liquor Control Board, or PLCB for short, updates all their pricing once a month. I believe this update takes place on the 6th of every month. They release this information in two forms. One's an online database that came out recently, and the other one is through a large PDF file. So if you go to the PLCB's website, it just has the PDF available for download. It's almost 800 pages, so you can tell it's pretty large in size, takes a little bit to download. This PDF shows you the LCB code number, description of the product, size of the product, any sales information and sales price, and also the retail price. In order to play into smart ordering, you should have the retail price field of the spreadsheet updated each month. To do this manually, you need to look up each item by their LCB code. So for example, if we did this for Jim Beam, we could copy the LCB code and then just do a simple search in this PDF file, and it pops up Jim Beam, verify that it's the size we carry, and the current retail price of it is $17.99. So if you go back to the inventory and cost sheet, retail price we actually have is $16.99, so you can tell our current pricing information is inaccurate. If you've been following the news, you probably heard about the large Jim Beam buyout by the Japanese, and it was also announced that Mila Kunis is the face of Jim Beam. So between two of these, it looks like it went up $1 in price. So to continue to do this manually, if we change this to the correct retail price, you can see how that changes your cost per shot, cost per ounce, cost percentage, and your profit per bottle. It's not a huge change because it's only $1 increase, but it still affects all these different factors. To continue on this process, we can just try another one. So going down the list, we would need to check Wild Turkey next. So if you copy the LCB code number, go back to the newly downloaded PDF file and do a search. You can see that there's no sales for Wild Turkey currently, and the retail price is $19.99. If we go back to our spreadsheet, we can verify that there's been no change in that price, so that one is correct. As you can see, this process can be very time consuming, especially when you have hundreds of different types of alcohol. I'll change Jim Beam back just so you can see how this program actually works. Down here towards the bottom of this spreadsheet, I have it's what I call the command center, and this update prices button is what actually is going to go through and update all of the retail prices just by the click of a button. Basically will say that the function has completed. 11 items could not be matched. This is due to SLO pricing and then some blank lines at the bottom of the spreadsheet. So as you can see, running that program updated Jim Beam to its current price, and it also updated other products with any sales price information. And if there is something on sale, it highlights that specific product in red. So you can see there are a handful of items that are on sale for this period. If we hide a couple of these fields, we can take a closer look at how this changes everything. So as an example, let's take a look at Bacardi Limon. As you can see, it's discounted on sale for $13.99, down from $16.99, so it's actually a $3 discount this period. So if we would change this back to the retail price of $16.99, you'll be able to see how it affects your cost per ounce, cost percentage, and your profits. So one of the big things to look at that is your cost percentage jumped from 20% up to 25%. Yeah, if you know anything about liquor cost, 5% increase or decrease is actually pretty huge. Drastic number changes like this, why wouldn't you want to take part in smart ordering and order heavy on these sale items? If you tie this information into promotions, you can see where cost savings and drink profits really can come into play. Not only have to think about this on one-on-one drinks, but also drinks containing multiple liquors and especially shooters. You can also see from these price updates that Bacardi Rock Coconut is on sale for $14.99, which dropped the price cheaper than Malibu, which is $15.99. Want to order heavy on Rock Coconut this month, and then you can use that for, say, your Surfer on Acid shots, so it makes their costs less. Every state releases their alcohol pricing information in different ways. The script I created is currently only designed for Pennsylvania, but other states are definitely on the roadmap. I think Pennsylvania was one of the more difficult ones to create this program for, so I think the rest of the states should come into play pretty easily. If anyone from outside of Pennsylvania wants to work with me on getting something set up for their states, please contact me. Easiest way to contact me would be my email address. It's Shane Markley, ShaneMarkley, all one word, @gmail.com. Questions and feedback are also welcome. Thank you very much.